We've squeezed you all into the studio. Thank you so much for coming in, lads. I really appreciate it.
Oh, glad to be here. Thank you very much.
So 5 years since the last album, and we've got another one coming in about 5 weeks' time. So is there a massive amount of excitement?
There is, yeah. It's been a while coming, but we're really looking forward to getting it out there. Yeah. It's taking its toll on us all.
In those 5 years, I mean, how long did you actually spend on the album? Were we all kind of enjoying life at the same time?
We tried to enjoy life. We kept coming back to it over the last 2 years or so, but it probably was all done in a month's time. But we were just procrastinating the whole time, getting it ready.
Always,
they did it yesterday. Yeah. We got it all ready and all done. And with that as well, there's a single release in a few weeks' time with a launch happening in Whelan's as well. Obviously, we get to taste some of the album there. But when is that? Tell us about it and tell us what people can experience.
On March 5th, we'll be playing in Whelan's. We'll have Acrobat playing support to us that night. It should be a great night, I hope. The album, we're going to play most of it, all of it's in its entirety.
Yeah.
And it should be great.
Are you a little bit nervous kind of performing it in front of a big crowd?
Not
Releasing it into the world?
Yeah, I suppose it's like something you hold on to for quite a while, and then I suppose we'll listen to it loads at the moment, and then as soon as it's released, we'll never hear it again, whereas we play it every night. But it's exciting to hear what other people's reactions will be.
You were saying to us earlier that there was a great reaction to when you released a single last year, and the fans have kind of stuck there, which is great at the same time, and obviously because you've done so well with the Choice Music Prize nomination all those years back as well. Is there a nervousness though coming back and being like, this is the music now? Is there any changes to it that you're like, oh, I wonder if they'll like that, I wonder if they'll like these differences?
Sure, but I suppose it's what we always try to do is just write a good song, regardless of the style. And if it's a good song, well, then that should travel through.
Absolutely.
You're going to play a very good song for us right now, aren't you?
We're going to play a song, your new single, which is at the 5th of March, called That's What You Get.
And then make sure to catch them in Whelan's, guys. Take it away.
That's what you get for crossing my path. Don't look now, but I saw you dancing over something old, held up by my tune and my little notes. That's what you get for losing the crowd. It was just some sad song sung softly all day long. A hit of blues, yeah. If you like, that's what you get, what you get. It's foolish, you doubt. Hear me out, you don't want to hear me shout. Come on in, you'll find we're trying too hard and it shows a lot tonight. Come on in, you'll find we're trying too hard and it shows tonight. That's what you get, what you get. It's foolish, you doubt. Well, maybe you're right. Maybe I'm bored. Show me something you've seen me try this 1,000 times tonight. I've dried up, throw me to the night. That's what you get, what you get. It's foolish, you doubt. Hear me out, you don't want to hear me shout. But come on in, you'll find we're trying too hard and it shows a lot tonight. Come on in, you'll find we're trying too hard and it shows a lot. When that's what you get, what you get. It's foolish, you doubt. Come on in, you'll find we're trying too hard and it shows a lot tonight. Come on in, you'll find tonight. Come on in, you'll find we're trying too hard and it shows a lot tonight. Come on in, you'll find we're trying too hard and it shows tonight. And that's what you get, what you get. It's foolish, your doubt. Hear me out, you don't want to hear me shout.